Life doesn't often allow us to worship the ground we walk on. That's why there's flooringinc.com. Who is flooringinc.com? We're an online flooring superstore that has built a reputation around great selection, great prices, and top-notch customer service. Flooring is one of the most transformative elements in interior design, and it's one of the easiest, most dynamic ways to update a home. At flooringinc.com, whether you're looking for flooring for your home, gym, garage, yard, or anywhere really, our mission is to help make your flooring dreams come true with style, ease, and efficiency. Great floors mean great times. At flooringinc.com, we also provide step-by-step installation instruction and videos, making it possible for homeowners like you to install your own flooring. And if you're less ambitious, no problem. We'll give you the info you need to find a great installer. So what makes us different? We don't sell our customers flooring based on quotas from suppliers and manufacturers. flooringinc.com customers get the best prices on the floor that's right for them and their budget. How do we compete with traditional specialty flooring stores and the home improvement giants? Simple. It's the internet. There are no high-pressure tactics to cover brick-and-mortar store overhead or bad advice from a guy who 10 minutes ago was an expert on toilet plungers and dryer hoses. That stinks. We don't. We sell great flooring at the guaranteed lowest prices while giving you expert advice on everything we offer. It's what we do. And the process? We've got it dialed in. Shop in the comfort of your home, in your pajamas, or no pajamas, at your convenience, at your pace. We'll send you a variety of product samples, answer all your questions, and then ensure that you order just the right amount. What should you expect when you work with us? Well, it won't be as exciting as pony rides at your kid's birthday, but we are committed to giving you the best possible customer service, from when you start shopping online to when you celebrate with a funky dance move you learned from watching Drunk Grandma. It's your new dream floor. Do what makes you happy. With over 40,000 reviews, we are the highest rated flooring company in the United States. #humblebrag. We have covered over 100 million square feet of flooring. We're very good at what we do. So get your dance moves ready, 'cause it's time for Flooring Inc.